Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 5 of how to write Arabic calligraphy. In case you're wondering why I've not shaded out the sunlight, it's because the sun's so nice. Why block it out? Anyway, so let's get on. Now, in this lesson, we're going to do letters. We're going to start with the letters. Now, there's a way of measuring letters in calligraphy. In English, Arabic, all calligraphy, there's a style. What they do is they use dots. Now, in English, usually we do this. We'll do, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, now that's on the line. You do dots like that, so that tells you that the letters need to be that size, and then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 up here, so you know that the B can only go that high. The reason why we have that measurement is to keep the letters in proportion. Now, in Urdu and Arabic, we usually use 5 dots. The reason why you need to do this is because if you got 5 dots like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it can be 6 as well. Alright, so then if I do alif like that, it stays in proportion. Now, if I don't have that, I might do an alif like that, and then I might do a really small bay, so it look out of proportion. So let's just say, although it can be argued how many dots does it need to be, it varies from font to font. Let's stick to 5. Okay, 5 vertically and 5 horizontally as well. Meaning, if there's a letter that's horizontal, like ba, for example, be, then that needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters across. And if there's an alif, if there's a vertical letter, that needs to be about 5 dots, not letters, 5 dots high, and that bay needs to be 5 dots wide. So let's use this as a guide. 3, 4, 5. Like I say, it can be 6 as well. Anyway, and then you got bay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that looks in proportion. Say for example, I didn't use that guide, so I used alif, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I did a bay, and then when I measured it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 9. See that it looks out of proportion. So although expert calligraphers, you won't see them using these dots, because then they develop an eye for it, so they don't need to use the dots. But as learners, we will have to use these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's alright, that's in proportion. If instead I do this, now when it comes to measuring it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can get away with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know that's wrong. If that was 6, that needed to be, this bay needed to be 6. Let's measure that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Alright. So what we'll do is, for lesson number 5, we're going to practice writing alifs. So what you need to do is, on your line page, from the top, start drawing dots. You know how to draw the dots because you've learnt it in lesson number 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got that. Now putting your pen down at an angle. Remember, always our pen goes down at an angle. Start there, go down there. to keep it straight, but try to keep it a bit of thin at the top and thin at the bottom. So you've got to look at my pen. A bit curvy. You don't want it like that. You want it a bit curvy. If you practice it, inshallah, it'll come alive. You know now that 5 of those dots are 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 in this book. So now I don't need to keep drawing the dots. I just know that 1, 2, 3. That's my guide. There we go. Alright, so do a few pages of that, inshallah, and things will start coming together. In case you're wondering, you've seen alifs with this on it. Yeah, alifs that look more like that. Yeah, we can do that afterwards. Not a problem, we'll do that next lesson. But for now, your homework is draw your guide dots, 5. And then draw your alifs in that. I've done that. That's in 4 lines now. You see these dots are bigger, but it doesn't matter. Draw your alifs. Thin, thick, thin at the bottom. Alright, keep practicing that. Don't make them too squiggly. You don't want them like that, like those patterns that we're doing, those worms that we're doing. Don't want it like that. Generally straight, slightly curved. Thin at the top, thin at the bottom, thick in the middle. So you have to swivel your pen around slightly. Page 1 will look terrible. Page 2 won't look very good. Page 3 you'll be getting there. Page 4, page 5. You do a few pages of them, inshallah. I guarantee your alifs will start coming out really nice. Okay, that's your homework. Jazakumullah for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Until next time.